Okay, guys, I should have made this earlier, but I was just like, hey, let's get a quick video on this. Change the master cylinder out on this car. This is a 1966 Chevy Nova or Chevy II. It shouldn't have this master cylinder in it. This is from 1967 and up, I think, to like 1967 to 72. This is the old one right here. It literally takes no time to come out. The boot on back was tore. I'm assuming somebody did this when they installed this. When they upgraded to disc brakes, they used this master cylinder off of a newer model vehicle. So I had to scramble a little bit to find a part, find which one it was, but lo and behold, it just was a year up that they used. Eventually, guys, I'll be changing this out to a Wheelwood master cylinder. Like I said, I got disc brakes all the way around, but we need this for the spare of the moment, guys. That master cylinder was leaking pretty bad. It wasn't functioning well. It was leaking from the top. The top was, I probably could have replaced the top, guys, and got away with it. Let me show you guys the top. I probably could have got away with the top. I mean, just replacing the top, guys, but I just changed the whole thing out. This is for right now, guys, so we can get to the track and just see what's up with the car. It's warped, so it's not seating down properly on there, and it's causing fluid to leak out and causing me to lose brake pressure, which is extremely dangerous. So I just want to opt to change it out for right now. The back is totally converted over to disc brakes. We got a strange brake system on here. Amazing brake system on the rear. So we good on the rear. All we need to do now is just upgrade the master cylinder. This is for right now because we're going to the track in a week or so. And so I got this, just replace this out. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is remove it real quick to show you guys how to remove it and install it. I should have did it. It literally takes no time to do this. Try to mount the camera somewhere. So it's pretty much out already, guys. Just gotta. So you want to get a 9/16. I'm using this 9/16 closed in ratchet wrench. Gets down there really easy. Screw these things off. I got some lock washers I'm going back with on here. So I'm putting a lock washer. It wasn't a lock washer on here. Just a nut onto the base of this master cylinder. No lock washer. So you want to take both of those off. I forgot to mention, you want to remove the brake lines, guys. I think a 9/16. I got a line lock on this vehicle. So I'm gonna pull the lines back. Just pull it out. See, I greased that up, guys. I greased that up for that shaft to go right in. So I lubed that up really good, guys. That shaft right there, guys. Let me get this. So I lubed this shaft up, and I'll do it again. So it can just slide directly into this rubber boot and go into the housing of this master cylinder. Let me show you guys where it's seated. It's seated inside that hole. So let's reinstall it, but we're gonna grease that. We're gonna wipe this off. Grease that shaft and raise the shaft up. Aim it in that boot. Yeah, so once you get the shaft into the boot, guys, just push it in and it goes right in. So then I'm show you guys how we're gonna bleed the master cylinder while it's on the car. Hopefully I don't have to bleed the brakes again. There's fluid in the line, so we're gonna see. But tighten this down, guys. No torque specs. I recommend having some lock washers. So like I said, this is for right now, guys, because we want to get to the track. Our goal is to get to the track and have some brakes. The brakes are really good, even using this master cylinder, this factory master cylinder from off a newer model vehicle. So we're gonna let me tighten this down. We're gonna remove the cap, fill it up with fluid, and we're gonna bleed it. Okay, now that we got them hand tightened down, get the 9/16 wrench. Check them again. All right, guys, like I said, it's important to have those lock washers to keep those nuts from vibrating and backing up off those threads. So let's remove these out of our way. So let me hook up our, we're gonna remove these rubber stoppers out of here. And let me get the brake bleeder out of here so we can bleed these brakes. Okay, guys, I got this Dorman kit, universal kit, brake bleeder kit. You want to pick out the size for your application, and then we're gonna connect the hose to it. So in this case, I picked out my size. I'll let you guys know what the bottom one is. So we're gonna remove the top. Yeah, this top is much different from the top that comes off here. Look at this top, guys. Look at how deep it is compared to this top was just gone. Has holes in it. We'll never be able to keep no pressure. It's like a salt and pepper shaker. Let's pour some fluid in here, connect the plastic lines, reroute the lines to run back into the reservoir, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, guys, we're ready to add fluid. Using some standard -3 brake fluid. You guys see the air escaping. So if you're by yourself and you have no help, guys, I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. You want to get in the car and slowly depress down on the brakes. Slowly and depress down. Don't do it hard, guys. There's a brake fluid to shoot everywhere. You want to go slow until we remove all these air out the line. So let's set up the camera. You guys can see me. Okay, guys, we got all the air out the lines. So we're gonna slowly remove each one of these and install the lines pretty quickly. You'll let some drip out, but it's not gonna affect anything. So let's remove this one first, and then we're gonna hurry up and get the brake line installed. Alright guys, we got a little spill. But our brakes should be good. We're gonna put the top on, guys, and our brakes should be back good. Depends on how much air got in the line for me when the brakes went out, when the cap flew off the top. So we're gonna install the cap back, and I'm gonna see if my brake pedal is gonna get hard if I pump it up. So let's top this off and put the cap back on. Alright guys, so we're gonna pump it a few times in the car. These lines are 9/16 too, guys. So we're gonna pump it a few times, and we should be feeling some pressure. We should be okay. Hopefully I don't have to bleed the brake calipers over again. Getting harder, guys. Getting brakes again. Getting brakes. Getting brakes, guys. Getting harder, guys. Let's check for leaks. No leaks. Let's check the cap. The brake fluid should went down some, guys. The brakes are getting harder. So hopefully we're okay. Let's take the cap off. All in one step of motion, guys. Okay, the back needs some more. So let's add some more fluid, and we should be okay. All right, let's see what we got. Guys, if it wasn't no brakes just now, none. Absolutely no brakes. Going to the floor. Yep. Yep. We got brakes. They're back solid, guys. I can feel them catching as soon as I press on them now. I feel them. I feel them. So before they were sinking to the floor. Yeah, now it won't go all the way down to the floor, guys. That's it. That's all I got. All right, guys. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Whole lot more coming. Tearing some out.